Hello and welcome guys to a new video on this channel. If you don't know me already, I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. One of my plugins that I created is Newsomatic, and one of the most frequently popping up questions that I receive from my customers is what is the difference between top news to post plugin menu and custom news to post plugin menu, because they seem very similar and it is not so clear what is the difference between them. So let me explain to you in this video exactly the difference between these two plugin menus. So let us start with the top news to posts. The first thing that you should know about this is that the top news to posts connects to News API, and News API has two endpoints. One is top headlines and the other is everything. So these two endpoints will provide us news articles from News API. And the top news to post connects to the top headlines API node. And this will provide you the top news that is trending right now. So this will provide a limited set of posts. The results that this endpoint provide will not be so large than the other endpoint, the everything, but this will be more popular between visitors, and here you will be more likely to find viral content. So if you want to get viral content, you should start using the top news to posts. However, keep in mind that the top news to posts will not be so diversified as the everything node. This means that if you search, for example, for very narrow search keywords like let's say about something that happened a while ago, for example, Fukushima disaster, or something that is not so much spoken about recently, then the top news to post will not return anything for it. So let me show you an example of this. If we search for any and enter in the search query string, here you can enter for what are you looking for exactly. So let us enter Fukushima, exactly like my example. Let's save settings and let's run importing to see if we get anything for Fukushima, and we can see that we don't have any news for Fukushima in the top news recently. So people are not speaking about Fukushima anymore. This is why. However, if we enter here Trump, which is the current president of the United States, and I am sure that we will get results for Trump. And yeah, here it is. The plugin imported content for Trump, and if we check here, we will see that 4 articles will be imported for Trump. Okay, so however, if you want still to get content for Fukushima, you should go to custom news to post plugin menu, because here you will also be able to import news from the past, not only the top news that is trending right now. So here you should select any, and in the search query string simply enter Fukushima. Save settings, and if you run here importing, shortly the plugin will import posts. And if we check here, 10 posts were imported and the posts are all about Fukushima. So this will connect to the everything API node from News API. So this is the API node that will list content for the custom news to post plugin menu. So the top news to post plugin menu connects to the top headlines API node, while the custom news to post plugin menu connects to the everything. Here is the everything API node from News API. Yeah, so this is all. And also one thing I almost forgot is that they have different parameters. So you can enter different settings for custom news to post. You can make a search query also for the title, not just the title and content. Generated post language, article from this date until this date, sort results by popularity, relevancy or latest, include only these domains in results and remove domains from results. You can enter a list of domains to require to be entered. So if we enter here techcrunch.com, then we should only import content from TechCrunch, like this. And so on. You can input here as many domains as you wish. Comma separated list of domains. Here you can see that a comma must separate the domain names. Okay. So also if we get back to top news to posts, we will see that here we have fewer query parameters for news API. We only have a news a search query string, sorry. We can select the country from which you wish to import the content. And this is all the settings that we can send to news API, these two. Okay, so this is all that makes the difference between the top news to post and custom news to post. I hope I explained this well enough. If you have more questions, please let me know in this video's comments and I will respond to you as soon as possible. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification. And until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.